Tips for choosing the best countertops for kitchen and bath design. Dear friends, the kitchen and bathrooms tend to be the focal point of home remodeling plans, as they greatly impact the quality of life. The kitchen design is the heart of the home, where everyone gathers for meals and celebrations. Bathrooms, particularly the master bathroom design, are where we start and end the day, and can be a refuge from daily life. Numerous countertop materials are available for today's kitchen and bathroom designs, so how do you decide which one is right for you? Here are some of the top materials available for today's bathroom or kitchen design. Granite stone. This is the classic, luxury choice for kitchen or bathroom countertops. As a natural material, every piece of granite is one of a kind, so your room has a truly unique look with a granite countertop. It is durable, withstands high heat, and brings a sense of luxury to any space. Granite is a more expensive option, but it combines the high-end style you want in a visible space with the durability you need for a high-traffic area. If your budget allows for it, you can't go wrong with granite. Quartz countertop. Quartz has become one of the most popular choices in countertops for kitchen or bath design. It is an engineered, non-porous surface comprised of quartz and resin, that is hygienic and durable. It can be customized to fit any space, style, or color scheme. It is an ideal choice to closely mimic natural stone without having the maintenance requirements of natural products. Marble countertop. Another natural surface that epitomizes luxury, marble is unique and can be found in a range of color choices. While it is heat-proof, it must be sealed properly and regularly maintained to avoid staining. It's an expensive choice, but one that transforms a room, balancing simple charm and classic luxury. If you love baking, marble is ideal for rolling out dough as it has a unique ability to stay cool. Wood countertop. A wood countertop fits well into a kitchen design, either as a tabletop end of an island or as a butcher block food prep zone. They are not as commonly seen in bathroom designs but are becoming a more popular choice for kitchen remodels. It works especially well when set against classic white or bold blue kitchen cabinets. You could opt for an island with a wood countertop, while you stick to quartz or another durable surface for perimeter cabinets. Wood should be sealed and maintained over time, but keep in mind that wood is also one of those surfaces that increase in character with wear and tear. Soapstone countertop. This natural material has a distinctive style, with a smooth surface that comes in gray tones with unique veining and tends toward the darker end of the grayscale. It is hard-wearing but it is softer than other natural stones, can be prone to scratching, and does change with age. Concrete countertop. For a truly unique surface that enhances an industrial, rustic, or modern kitchen and bathroom design aesthetic, consider a concrete countertop. Concrete is expensive to install as it must be poured on site, but the result is a one-of-a-kind surface that can be created in a customized shape. Concrete can be honed to varying finishes and textures, and imbued with different colors, so if you love this surface, it can be altered to fit varying design styles. While concrete is heat and scratch resistant, it can be prone to cracking. However, cracks can be easily repaired to extend the countertop's lifespan. Tile countertop. Just like for backsplashes or floors, tile can be used to cover countertop surfaces, and offers just as many options for sizes, patterns, colors, and textures. Go for a large format to create a sleeker surface or transform your bathroom or kitchen design with a unique pattern of smaller, shaped tiles. Get a uniform style by extending the same tile from the countertop up the backsplash or mixing and matching tiles for a unique look. Laminate countertop. This is one of the most affordable options on the market, and it comes in a range of colors and patterns. Modern plastic laminates have improved greatly to achieve a more stylish look. However, laminate is not as hard-wearing as other kitchen and bathroom design countertop materials, so it can be prone to heat damage and scratching. Terrazzo countertop. If you are looking for a really unique style, consider a modern take on a classic material that has been around for centuries. Terrazzo consists of resin with pigment for color and chips of other materials such as natural stone, glass, or cement. The price varies depending on the fragments you choose to include, which also affects the style. Some colors can appear dated, so choose chips and colors that will define your style for years to come. With so many choices available, there is an ideal countertop material for every home. Balance price with functionality and style to find the countertop that will enhance your kitchen or bathrooms for years to come. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the engineer AJ Lod's channel How to Make My House.